welcome back to my channel. So today is Tuesday. Oh, that's how tired I am. Today is Tuesday, November the 22nd, so it's a couple days before the Thanksgiving celebration or Thanksgiving holiday. And I wanted to go ahead and unbox my Netrition order with you guys so that you can kind of see a little bit of how the products look, the sizes, and range, all that good stuff. So one of the things I love about Netrition, totally not sponsored by the way, is that they have very fast shipping. So usually their FedEx shipping is like within one business day. I ordered this with you guys on Friday and then I actually received it on Monday. So that's a great, is that right here? It is. That's a great turnaround time for shipping. It is really, really quick, and the shipping is free if you order at least $100 worth of items. And they have like at least 35 pages worth of keto or low carb options, keto friendly or low carb options. So I just wanted to show you guys a little bit of what I got. I know I kind of ran through it with you on Friday, but I figured I could go ahead and just kind of cut open my box here, that you guys can kind of see what I got. So it is definitely filled to the brim here. Oh, okay, great. So it kind of gives you like a little receipt here of everything. And it does give you a little note that says perishable and heat sensitive items, like what to do and what to expect when you receive your package. So that's pretty cool. All right, so the first thing I see, actually the first thing I see right here on top is the, what is this thing? This one is the kind of like the jelly that I got, the preserves, the sugar-free preserves. So let me go ahead and get that in. And they package it so well. Okay, yes, perfect. So I got the Planner, Concord grape sugar-free jam. So go ahead and pop that up. I showed you guys a little bit of those flatbreads. This one is the light Italian herb from Flat Out. This will be my first time actually trying them, but they are a pretty decent size. 6 net carbs per flatbread, and you get 8 of them in here. It's a pretty decent, yeah, this is a lot of flatbreads, so I'll definitely be freezing those. All right. Next thing I got was the Swerve, and I got this because I needed some sweetener for something that I'm gonna be making here. And the good thing about Swerve is that it is 0 net carbs, which is perfect. And I just got the granular version. Put that up. I did get a few of those sesame seed snacks. I got 2 seaweed snacks, and then I got 1 wasabi. So I'm hoping that the wasabi tastes good and gives everything a little flavor. You guys know these are one of my staples, the Eden spicy pumpkin seeds. I absolutely love these. These are so good on their own, but then they're also so delicious on salads as well. So I got 2 of these, and these do not expire until September of 2023. So I'll definitely be finished those by then, so that's perfect. All right, so the next thing I have here is that sugar-free maple syrup. This one is by a company called Joseph's, and it says award-winning, and it's gluten-free, so that's cool. Yeah, I can't wait to try that. I'm like, this is the perfect week for an upside down day. Perfect week. Okay, so looks like I got some no sugar added pancake and waffle mix. This is one from New Hope Mills, and it is a small box. I'm so used to it being super big, but it is keto friendly, so that's perfect. I can definitely have that with my syrup. And then I have 2, is that all I got, just 2? I guess so. Of these angel hair pastas by Natural Heaven. And I really wanted to try my hand at a few, angel hair and then a spaghetti. And these are made out of hearts of palm. They're fully cooked, ready to eat. And they are, let's take a look here. Looks like 2 carbs. 2 net carbs, is that it? Yeah, 2 net carbs per serving. And how many servings do you get in here? 2.5 servings. So even if you went ahead and had the entire thing, you're looking at what, 5 carbs for the entire box? Okay, so I have this one in a little thing that says fragile. I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. Like I said, they package it so well. Oh, and they sure did, because here is my Aunt Millie's Live Carb Smart bread, and I got this in the wheat. And it smells so good, and look how fluffy it is. It's not like one of those really stiff type of breads. It looks just like a regular bread, which is perfect. So there we go with that. And move this out of the way. I did not mean to drop it. Okay, I got another box in here. Ooh, chippies. So some little snacks to keep me, all right, so we have some pea protein chips. These ones are gluten-free by Safe and Fair, the food company. I got hickory barbecue. This is a pretty decent size. It's 3.5 ounces, so it's a pretty decent size of a bag of chips. I also got the sweet jalapeno. I cannot wait to try these ones because these seem, I don't know, like, they seem different. So let's try these sweet jalapeno chips or pea crisps or whatever you want to call them. Oh, and here goes those chicken chips by way of flock. So I got a, barbecue, an original, and then a salt and vinegar. So it was like a little chicken skin chip type of deal here. So that's what those are. Cannot wait to try those. All right, let me condense some of these boxes here. I'm gonna have plenty for recycling for sure. Move that back in there. And then finally is a Netrition bag. Ooh, a little lunch bag here. And I think this is with like some type of sweets or something in it that I got. Yes, and it came with a free little ice pack, which is perfect and reusable. So I absolutely love that. Okay. And oh, perfect. So here's the OMG Peach Gummy Candy by Shameless Snacks. Super excited to try those. Here are those two little Whip Van wafers that I was showing you guys. I got two tiny ones, and these ones are the chocolate hazelnut. And these ones were 4 net carbs per serving. So these are perfect size for like a little after dinner treat. Ooh, these bagels smell delicious. Okay. Here's those Carbonaut bagels. They're gluten-free, 3 net carbs per, let's see if it's bagel. Let's see if it's 3 net carbs per bagel. Oh yeah, 1 bagel. So 3 net carbs per bagel. Oh, perfect. That's awesome. And then these ones are seeded herb and garlic, and they smell delicious, like delicious, delicious. And that's what they look like on the side. I cannot wait to try those. And then finally, I have my Lily's dark chocolate covered almonds. These ones are a staple. I absolutely love those. And then look, another ice pack. How sweet of them. So I have 2 reusable ice packs and then a reusable little, and it looks like it's an insulated lunch bag, which is perfect for like on the go or travel or anything else along those lines, because who can't use that? Some extra bags here. So yeah, that is my little haul from Netrition. I got a good amount of stuff here that I gotta put away now. I gotta find some space for. So that's perfect. I just cleaned out my keto snack drawer, so it's clean and ready for additional keto friendly items. And that's perfect because I needed to re-up and get a few more things that I was getting low on anyway, so that's perfect. Alrighty guys, so that's it for my mini video for today, my little mini haul. You guys already kind of got a sneak peek in the last video. I just wanted to show you guys what I decided to purchase from Netrition, since I talk about them all the time. Everything that I use, I pretty much use from Netrition, and I absolutely love them. Once again, totally not sponsored, but there's no club you have to join. You don't have to buy a specific minimum or maximum. You can honestly purchase whatever you'd like to purchase from Netrition, and they even give you like little coupons, and they have sales going on all the time. So it really is a great way to get all of your keto items on your time frame. It doesn't have to be a recurring type of charge all the time. So that's it. Just wanted to give you guys a little breakdown of my box here. That way I can go ahead and get that off my counter and move on with the rest of my night. I hope you guys are having such a wonderful week, and I cannot wait to see you in my next video. Same time, same place. Take care. Bye.